Now in this tutorial I will discuss about PHP switch case, I mean PHP conditional statement, switch statement. Okay, in our previous tutorial I have showed PHP conditional statement, if else else if. Okay, now in this tutorial I will discuss PHP switch statement. So let's go. PHP switch statement: use switch statement to select one of many block of code, one of many block of codes, I mean one in two lot. Okay, syntax is switch key, then the variable will be match is cage below. Okay, you will learn more when I like code. You can see then code be executed if variable below equal level 1, I mean case below. Okay, let's go to live. First open your jump control panel, start it, go to your folder directory where you installed your XAMPP localhost or WAMP localhost, htdocs, copy the folder name, edit with notepad++, open your browser, write localhost / your folder name. It's our previous tutorial, just remove it. This is our PHP block. Now here you can see it's a very simple template, just header and footer. Okay, and we have created in our first tutorial. If you don't know, please check my previous tutorial. Okay, anyway, first declare a variable. Suppose a variable x equal to assign a value, suppose PHP, then write switch key, first bracket and curly brace or third bracket. Here just write the variable that you want to switch. Okay, first write switch keyword, then use first bracket, paste your variable into the first bracket that you want to switch, then use curly brace. Here just write first case key. Here you need to write suppose value, suppose I write Java, then use colon. Now right here you printed message that you want to print, suppose I love Java, suppose, then write break key. Okay, it will separate the each code block. Okay, here you can see one of many block of code. You can write many block of code, one block. Also you can write here suppose again case, suppose write PHP, then use colon, then write your message, suppose I love PHP. Okay, then use break. Also again you can write suppose case, suppose write Python. I am writing it as example, just showing you. Okay, echo suppose first case, then your case value, then use colon, and then echo quotation mark your message, then use semicolon. Okay, you can see semicolon, must semicolon here. Okay, suppose write I love Python, suppose I love Python, break. And last, suppose you can write too many as you wish. Okay, I have write just a 3 block of code. You can write as you wish. Okay, it has no limitation. Default, finally you can write default, suppose I write it, suppose I don't love programming, I am writing jokes. Okay, nothing seriously, I love too much programming. Anyway, you can see here variable x equal to PHP. Okay, I mean variable x value is PHP. So in this case you can see it's a string value. Then write switch key or switch statement, then use first bracket, then your curly brace. Okay, and here just write the variable that you want to switch. This variable value PHP will compare the case value. Okay, this variable value, I mean this variable value x variable value will compare the case value. Okay, you can see case value is Java, case value is PHP, here case value is Python. Each value will be compared with this variable x value. Okay, if variable x value, when variable x value match the case, then print that message. Okay, suppose PHP will match this PHP case and print this message, and automatically stop the program by using break key. Okay, here program will be stopped because program match the key. Just print this message and stop here. If not match, suppose Java not match, then go to the next code block PHP match. If you not match it, then go to the next case, suppose Python. If you not match, finally it will print the default. Default means finally. If program found that not match any key with this variable value, then finally it will print it. Now see, just refresh your browser. You can see here I love PHP. You can see here our variable x value is PHP and case here PHP match. Okay, and for this print I love PHP. If you write here suppose C#, refresh your browser, you can see I don't love programming printed, because you can see here variable x value is PHP. So first program start from here. Okay, Java not match, C# not match, Python not match, and for this program finally printed this message, I don't love programming. Okay, this is the default. When program find that not each case is matched with the variable value, and for this finally is default the default message. Okay, this is the structure of writing switch code. This is the string value. If you write here suppose Java, this is the Java, so program will be printed this message. You can see I love Java. Okay, also you can write here suppose string value, suppose 15 is string value. You can write here suppose 15. You can see I love Java 15. Also you can write here suppose 10, suppose 20. Okay, you can see I love programming. Variable x value match this first case. Okay, 15. If you write here suppose 10. Okay, you can see I love PHP. Variable case value 10 is message I love PHP. I hope you understand. Also you can see that variable x value is integer value 10. I hope you already know PHP data types. If you don't know what is the PHP data types, so please check my previous tutorial, that PHP data types all. Okay, you will also get the link into the video description box. Anyway, you can see the variable x value is 10. Okay, here you can see we have write a string value because we have used quotation mark. When you use the integer value, you can write it without quotation mark. Okay, as you wish, but when you write to the string value, you must use quotation. Okay, this is the string value, but this is the integer value. You can see here variable x equal to 10 and program will be printed this message I love PHP. Just refresh your browser, you can see same result I love PHP. Also you can write here suppose 15. You can see I love Java 15. I love Java. But if you use string value, suppose Java, this is an string value, you must need use to the quotation mark. Okay, and here also must use the quotation mark. Okay, as you wish, you can write anything, suppose PHP. Okay, you can see I love Java and Java. Also you can write here suppose PHP. You can see I love PHP. Okay, this is the switch statement for beginners. It's very simple that how to use the switch code, PHP switch statement. Okay, it's the many code of block. You can see here use of switch statement to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. One of many block. One switch is one, but code of block is too much. Many. You can see 1, 2, 3 code of blocks. You can write more as you wish. Okay, you can write more, suppose 25. You can see I love PHP. Okay, I hope you understand.